see that that's what we got loaded. And we're going to load flight sim. Actually P3d. And I'm going to get rid of anything extraneous. Now we do have an exe.xml loading, but we're going to get rid of that stuff, the flight bag, and we're also going to get rid of, as soon as this loads up, we're also going to get rid of, we'll keep Opus around, but notice that weather. Okay, we're going to quit that. So we're getting rid of the Avlasoft. And notice that weather is not checked. In the meantime, we'll come over to here, get rid of this. Notice that I'm loading up a default vehicle. It's at my airport that I created, but that shouldn't make any difference. Let's just go to a default airport. CDAC. And we'll save that as a and we're going to say okay, and we're going to go ahead and load it. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to halt recording and double check it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and run the, I'm going to select, first of all, let's go back here. We're going to say we're going to run the PMDG, select aircraft for FSIPanel, select airport, KSEA. And we'll choose 3-4 right, and let's just do an 8-mile final, and we're going to move aircraft. So sorry about this. We're going to have to wait for this, and I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait till it's fully loaded. So we're going to cut here. Note that I have deleted any flight 1 products. Except, no, there's no flight 1 products. Maybe I give that shouldn't be showing. Okay, so that's gone. Just wanted you to see that because I'm about to execute. Yeah, maybe. Dare I could crash everything. I'll do it afterwards. What the fuck is going on? Look how slowly it's loading. Something's definitely wrong. Let's go ahead and run it. Fuck it. Look at that. But I'm going to come down here and see what is loading. Scenery texture. World. And that's in drive-by. And it seems to be stuck at this guy right here. Oh, that's not true. Debug. Well, let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and get out of this. And out of this. Well, at least we can use it for debugging, huh? Alright, here we go. It was loading very slowly. Okay. We're going to load up Okay. 2,600 feet, rock solid. System is an initializing system. Gear is down. And notice it's still saying out. Autopilot on. Flight director's on. 143. Please wait. Let's look at the time. 3:35. Okay. I'm going to cut until I get
2500
out of here. Just wanted to have time reference. Notice we're going up and down, and we are not in slow mode. Up and down. Speed up and down. We are not in slow mode. I'm going to cut here. And we'll come back. You had the proper timing. And you see that, well, let's come back to the proper time again. And 36.52. So, FSIPanel is flashing, as you can see. We need 100 feet, therefore MyControlTrimming Aircraft Please notes on this. And I know we're going to go to approach as soon as this goes away. But it's still bouncing up and down, as you can see. Speed rig is on. Supposed to be flaps. So we should be at 138. Again, trimming aircraft. Bouncing around. Bouncing around. That's interesting. Alright, so and yeah, look at that. We're not in slow mode. And let's go back and look at the time again. 3:39. That was 4 minutes ago. So there it is. We'll cut here. I think I've proved my point, and I'll go from there. Finish up here. One thing to note, jump here. It is 3:41, and there's your 490 that this is where in process monitor. I'm going to come down here to the very bottom, and I'm going to kill the auto scroll so we can stay on there. Look what it's doing here. Fonts 777. Don't know what's going on there, but I thought I'd include it. Okay, sir. Thanks for your input. Jean-Pierre. Jean-Paul. JP. Chaz signing off.